All right, it is Saturday. We're still sitting in this Ethereum trade, kind of just hanging on to that for the ride down. In today's video, I really want to go over Bitcoin continuing its push to the downside from all-time high. We're going to go over some nice little pivot points that I'm kind of seeing set up. We're really going to focus smaller time frame and see what's going on in here. Look for some resistance points, some support points that we can kind of play, and some longer term stuff as well. So it's just going to be a quick update for the weekend. Before we get started, if you're new here, I trade Elliott Wave on BTC and ETH, leverage trade them only. If you want to see how I trade, there's a free Elliott Wave trading course in the free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. It shows exactly how I trade and it teaches you Elliott Wave. Also, drop a follow on Instagram. Once I get to 500 followers, I am revealing the face over on Instagram, so drop a follow. All that is pinned in the first comment down below. And let's get into it real quick, guys. Not gonna mess around today. We're gonna look at the overall count that I'm looking at, guys. I'm just gonna sketch this up real quick. If you want the in-depth analysis on that, watch my previous video, my video prior to this. You know, as we're on that topic, real quick, over on my channel 2 weeks ago, I saw this thumbnail here. Look at this thumbnail, guys. This was 2 weeks ago, and I'll just zoom in on the thumbnail. So we said that we were going to break the trend line, move up to all-time high, and reject hard off of all-time high. It's what we were looking for. It's what looked nice to me, what looked most realistic in the grand scheme of things. It didn't work its way up there exactly how we planned, but it did reject the fuck out of all-time high. So just shows you the power of Elliott Wave theory. For all the non-believers, it's real. It's real. It's what my whole trading strategy is based around. So rejecting all-time high. What I'm looking at is one of two things. Long term, boom, 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 correction to the upside. This is, again, a rough draft. Watch my previous video if you want the full in-depth analysis on this. I'm looking for maybe a correction to the downside. This is probably my primary count here. A correction to the upside. We're going to be putting in a long, dragging out, ending diagonal. Try to stay in the trend lines. Boom, boom, boom. And we're looking for 5 waves to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, up around 90K. That's kind of my first inkling. Come down here, catch this liquidity, find some support and bounce. We can then draw some nice trend lines in there. Option number 2 is a correction down, a correction up, an impulse down. We reached 100%, and then this is all just a big flat correction. Boom, 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 for more upside. Guys, these are all Elliott Wave patterns. Please take the course if you're running a little slow on this. Watch my videos. You will learn as we go. So that's just a larger correction for an impulse up. And I'm just jamming through this before we get to the smaller time frame stuff, guys. And then option number 3. You know, we could have more of a flat correction here. Boom. So we have 1, doom, 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 flat, boom. And that is our correction to the upside. I would really look at that just being a quick correction to 80K. And then we will get our flat pattern down. And then we go up. Very long, very dragged out. As you can see, most of these patterns are continuing this sideways consolidation. The ending diag is the most lethal one that would end the bull run here. Looking to correct down. The last 2 I went over would have a pretty solid moonshot, you know, up to 130, 140 once all the sideways action completes, once we get a liquidity sweep. So that's kind of where I'm at long term. Let's go smaller time frame. Let's see. So why I believe all-time high is in for the, you know, immediate term here. My dog is freaking out right now. You know, I wanted this to be, here we go, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive wave. Was really looking for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to be impulsive. And probably extended the upside. What we got instead was a rejection of all-time high. We have a 3-wave shape. And then we have a very pushy wave to the downside. We have intercepted the top of our 1-wave, start of our 2-wave. It's just invalidated for any type of impulse for me. Really, you know, the most you can kind of get out of this is, you know, an ending diagonal. If, you know, up here, if we're going to be pushing to the upside, I just don't see that happening. Top seems to be in for me for now. So what I'm looking out for, and it is weekend price action. You got to keep that in mind, guys. Let's see. I was sitting in a BTC short, and I actually closed out of the short because I'm just sitting in the Ethereum short. I'm good chilling on that. But over in the alerts, I did close out. I was looking for more of a retrace this weekend. Made about 2K off of that. Took a little profits as well before that. But you know, overall, this is just looking pushy. I'm really looking for a nice liquidity sweep down here. Maybe we get a flat like this. Boom. That's a flat correction. That would be the last hope for any type of short entry, for any type of bullish move here. You know, if it doesn't do that for me, what I'm seeing, guys, is a 1 2 1 2, and now we're gonna get boom 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 boom. Very, very dumpy, very, very quick. I'm looking to come and tap this liquidity here. Maybe something like this. That's going to be our leading wave. Come and get this, and then we can correct, and then we can come down for the next section right here. That's what I'm looking at long term. So I'm keeping everyone updated on my trades and what I'm doing over in the swing alerts. I do scalp alerts. This is the premium Discord. If you want access to these channels, live stream every day, Monday through Friday, answer all your questions. I really want to teach you guys Elliott Wave. That's what this Discord is for. Learning Elliott Wave, seeing how I put my trades and see what I do. I have 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts here for your viewing pleasure on all your favorite cryptos and regular markets. Constantly updated. All my indicators are in here with their settings, just so we're on the same page with trading. I take your requests. If you want to give premium a try, go to upgrade here. Use the code JUNKIE for $25 off your first month. This code expires November 7th in 5 days, so give it a try now. $25 off your first month with code JUNKIE. Keeping everyone updated the best I can as to what I'm doing with my trades. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can with my trades. Now, this is a beautiful overall shape for Bitcoin. Now, in this case, for me, and what my trading plan would be for myself, I am in this Ethereum short. Once liquidity swept down here, we'll see where that brings Ethereum to. I'll probably look out to close a nice amount of my position, and then, you know, would expect some kind of heavy retrace that I would look to play long. I would look to honestly look for little longs down here to play this correction. It could drag out longer and then come down, but we'll see what the wave structure looks like when we get down there, and then definitely look to short this into this liquidity area. These are my spots, guys. 60, 64K, 58K, and then we'll see what everything's looking like. Regular markets are looking very dumpy. DXY is looking pumpy. Altcoins and ETH are looking extremely dumpy. So, you know, after we get this correction, do we get another hit higher? Looking at everything else, it's hard to say that we do, but Bitcoin, I can see it. I can really see it, guys. So yeah, I'm looking for this move to ultimately come into this pocket right here, cracked up, and just come down in an ABC. Then we can go ahead and draw a channel on here, bang, bang, and we're good. Hopefully we catch a bounce in here for a nice leg up. This action has been very choppy, guys. Very choppy, very choppy. I feel like everyone's waiting for that one big move that juices their account. And, you know, if we're looking back in the time machine here, it's best to get in and out once you get these solid moves. Get the hell out. Do you want to sit through all this correction? Do you want to sit through all this correction? Just get out once you get that little solid move. That's the best advice I can give right now in this market. If you want to trade with us over on Blowfin, they are no KYC. It's what everyone is using to trade on, no KYC. It's my only exchange that I trade on, my preferred exchange that I trade on. Pinned in the first comment is the link for the best promo that they have running right now. It is this. I had them bring it back. It is a tiered ladder deposit bonus. Initial deposit bonus up to $10,000. Look at this right here, guys. You get a $450 deposit bonus on only a $1,000 deposit. Now, you do have to meet the trading volume requirements, so make sure you read this. This is in my Discord. You can pause this, read through this right here, however you want to do it. but that is pinned in the first comment down below. To get automatically entered into that is the best promo that Blowfin has. I guarantee you, go try to find a better one. You will not. So yeah, guys, that's where we're at. I mean, we can look at ETH. We can look at ETH if you want. I mean, ETH looks very dumpy. My plan for ETH is this is a 1, 2 into a big 3, 4, 5. That's literally what I want. Does this give you another 1, 2? Very well could. Probably will. You know, into a boom. That's our 5 waves in our wave 3 into a 5, and then we can get pumpy. I'm looking at 1900 for ETH, guys. Call me crazy. That's what I'm looking at. I'm obviously going to TP along the way down. I'm definitely going to TP here. It's a big TP zone for me, but I'm looking for 1900 on ETH. We'll keep you posted on everything. Subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin and crypto updates. I'll see you in the premium Discord. I'll see you over on Blowfin. Thanks for watching, everyone. I love you. Trade safe.